These days, marketers are shifting from traditional ways to data-driven strategies because they can monitor and also measure everything in the processes that they have. But the question is, how do they do that exactly? Machine learning is the main thing because with machine learning they can optimize their processes, they can predict customer behaviors, and also optimize their marketing efforts. So if you have a small business, you need to know machine learning is not just for tech giants anymore, and it's accessible even for your business. If you like what you have heard so far, I suggest you to head to Amazon Kindle store website and type Data Driven Marketing 101, and after that you can start reading Data Driven Marketing 101 book, which helps you to understand the basic things that you can do for your business and apply at least the initial things into your processes and your business.